Welcome back to another video. We got another car part that just came in. So this is not for me, this is for the Integra. So we're gonna be installing this today and you guys will see what it is. Alrighty, so we got the throttle body in. What is that, a 70 millimeter?
Yeah, 70 millimeter.
70 millimeter throttle body that we just got today. We're gonna be throwing it up on the Teggy. So we're gonna go ahead and carve, I don't know, I guess work with the stock intake manifold for the meantime, and then eventually later on upgrade if anything. But we're gonna install that today. Alrighty, so we're gonna start taking everything off from there. So take off the intake, take off pretty much everything, and then go ahead and get that thrown on there. So alrighty, so we got the throttle body off. I don't even know what size that is, but that's a 70 millimeter from the top. You guys can see the big difference on it, but we got it off. And we're gonna go ahead and install it, see if it fits. If not, he's gonna have to get the intake manifold on that. So we'll see how it turns out, but hopefully it fits, hopefully it runs, and we'll see how it goes. Alright, so we finally removed the intake manifold. Took us forever, just because we had this bolt right here that we still needed to remove, and we didn't take that off. So he's gonna go ahead and get started on cutting out the intake manifold to fit the throttle body. I'm gonna go ahead and take care of all of this, knock all of this down. It's the gasket sealer on top of it. And I'm gonna try and get that off as best as I can while he gets that going, and I'll go ahead and show you guys what's going on over there as well. So Agent just ran off to the store to pick up these things really quick to shave down start shaving this down so it can fit the sizing of this. So here's the cut. Damn. Psych. But we got it there. So tomorrow we just gotta get the gasket, right?
Yeah.
Or no, well, the gasket for that, and then slap it on there again. Oh damn, stepping over that shit. But it should be pretty much installed tomorrow. Oh damn, that's not the one. It's over here. It's over here. Damn, it's about to get slapped on right now. Oh, there it is. Damn, 70 mil. Cut it all out and everything by Adrian. Damn, can't wait to slap it on. Throw it on there. I mean, see how it goes. We're excited. He's happy with it, and we're Gucci. Alrighty, so it's the next day. We're getting the throttle body. We're already getting the intake manifold on, putting everything together. So all we need to do is just tighten it up, and then it should be good to go. Then we got to calibrate the sensor, and that's about it. And then as soon as we get it, we'll give you guys any updates if it worked or not. But we're excited. It's there. Let's go. Alrighty, so it's finally on there. Everything's all good. We connected everything. That shit is accurate as hell. We just got to go ahead and do the TPS sensor, get that calibrated, or the MAF sensor, right?
Yeah.
You gotta calibrate
the throttle position sensor.
The TPS sensor. So we got to get that one calibrated, and then we can go ahead and turn it on, and then see the magic. So if anyone's got any headers, let us know. They're gonna buy some headers, but there it is, all installed within 2 days. Let's go. All right, moment of truth. So everything's installed. We just fixed the TPS sensor. We got it done, and we cleaned up the garage a bit. It was a whole mess everywhere, but we got it all cleaned up. So he's gonna fire it up, and hopefully it turns on. Oh. It sounded like a struggle to turn on, but I don't know. We'll figure it out right now. You guys heard it here first, though. Alrighty, so we figured out the problem. Freaking, we poured the coolant back, and then I started hearing the leak, and so it was leaking, and it leaked. No, I'm kidding, but it leaked at the bottom. So right now he's gonna torque the intake manifold, because it was leaking from the bottom, this side right here. So we're gonna double check it, see, make sure it's tightened. We also had to cap off this thing right here, so we capped that off, and hopefully that works. But we'll keep you guys updated. If we don't finish today, we'll finish it tomorrow, and then we'll show you guys the test drive and everything like that. So I'll get you guys going. Huge update. So we had to end up putting CL gasket maker on that. As you can see all that orangey stuff on there. So we had to take it all off, and now it's back on, but we're gonna let it sit for a while. And then you guys can see that fresh ass new intake. Sorry, we just painted that, but pretty much we're just waiting for it to dry off and settle for a while, and then we're gonna throw it back on and then turn it on and then see if everything's good, if there's any leaks or anything like that. But that's pretty much it. I'll go ahead and update you guys and see if it runs. Alrighty, so now it's the third day since we've been on this thing, but we finally figured out. So what we did is I disconnected everything, and then we disconnected the tops, which kind of let it loose for the bottom, and we tightened the two bottom ones. They were pretty loose. But now it seems to be pretty much together. We're gonna put everything back and then see if there's any leaks. We filled it up with water, but we're gonna go ahead and drain that, get some coolant, and then everything seems to be fine. There was no drips at the bottom. Yesterday there was like a big ass pool all right there, so there was no drips right now. So we're gonna put everything back and then see how it goes, get some coolant. I'll give you guys a run, see how it runs and everything like that. So we're excited. Okay, so moment of truth, he's gonna turn it on right now, and we're gonna go ahead and get that whole thing in there. Let's go. Go for it. Yeah. It's on, boys. It's on. We made it. Woo! But any leaks? Any leaks? Oh. Nope. This one. And no more. I think those leaks were from like before or something, but everything seems to be running good. Got that thing on there finally. Ooh, let's go. Let's go back again down. Oh, 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 oh. Well, I guess we gotta fix it again. Keep you guys updated. Alright, so we're gonna go on a quick test drive, even though it's still leaking. We're gonna go test it out. You can see all the leaks right there. But we're gonna go on the test drive and see what it feels like. So we're back at this again. It's our third time taking off the intake, and only reason why it was not sitting flush is because there was a lot of, as you guys can see, there's a lot of green stuff on there, which is what the gasket, and then gasket maker on top of it, which let it settle down like really hard on it. So we thought that we had to end up, we thought we had to put some gasket maker and then the gasket on top of it, but turned out that it's not that. It's just that we didn't clean off that other side really good, which pretty much left it all kind of gunky, and it was not sitting in flush. So we have to clean all that out. I'm hitting it with the razor at the moment, so clean it out with this. Adrian just want to go get the gasket. We're gonna clean it up, throw it on there, and then see if it leaks again, and then eventually, hopefully everything goes good. We've knocked out a pretty good bunch, as you guys can see all that. Right there, we've knocked out all that. So it was really honestly a lot, but hopefully this works and we can get it on the car, and then he's good to go. Alrighty, so a quick update on the quick update on the car. We got it back installed. Seems to sit right, so we're good on that. We're just gonna let it sit overnight because we gotta let the gasket thing sit for a while. So we're gonna go ahead and let that sit, but pretty much should be set. Hopefully no leaks at the bottom. So hopefully no leaks at the bottom. So hopefully we can get it back up on the straight and then just make some more videos, some cruises, photo shoot, and all that stuff. Let's go. Well, we freaking finally made it. So we fixed the leak on the intake. The only things that were leaking after that was the these things, the fuel rail. So only two of them were leaking. So the injectors were leaking, so we had to fix that. We had to fix the O-ring. We're just putting the coolant, making sure it goes all the way down at the moment. But unfortunately, we can't do any pulls or drive-bys today just because it is pretty rainy at the moment. So pretty much it's all set. It's good to go, and we look forward to seeing what it does, what it brings to us. So we're excited that it's finally up and running and that we can get it out of here, you know? So let's go.